This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Jparrmurphy. Large well-built home in the city of Adams. Where else are you going to get 4 bedrooms and 2 baths for this price? Home has had some updates to interior, roof and electrical. Some hardwood flooring and updated vinyl. Main floor laundry in full bathroom. Once used as a duplex for investment. Nice front and rear porch, 2-car detached garage, and large yard for entertaining. Call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Jparrmurphy at 715-325-7335.